All right, friends, and welcome. Happy Monday. We're going to be working with graphs. Now, I know we've done a little bit of work with graphs, but we're going to continue for the next couple weeks. So I'm going to go over one activity page with you, and then you'll have the others that are your responsibility to complete. Okay, so in your math workbook, your big one that has the color, we're on page 418 today, and we're doing 10.1 lesson. So what this is we're going to learn how to read graphs and then answer questions about my graph. So here on my graph, we have a title right across the top, and it says children at the playground. Okay, so these are the children at the playground. The two categories that they give me are these kids are on the swings. So I would count these children for swings, and these students are at the slide. So these children would count for the slide. And it tells me down here at the bottom, this is called the key, right here where I put this star. And it tells me that each little figure stands for one child. So I'm gonna count this as one. If this would have been two, then I would count by twos. But it tells me I'm gonna count by ones. So I'm gonna come up here to my swings and I'm gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4. And I like to write it off to the side so that I know that I've already counted that part. So I have 4 kids on the swing, and I have 2 kids on the slides. So then I simply come and answer the questions using the data that I got from the graph. There are 4 children on the swings. There are blank children on the slide, and I noticed I counted those with 2. There are more children on the blank. So looking here, I like to go and match mine up like we've done in the past, and I have 2 more students on the swings. So there are more kids on the swings. Oops, that's sideways, sorry guys. Then there are on the slide. Okay, pretty simple. Let's try one more together. So here's my graph. Our favorite activity at the fair. So these are kids that are gone to the fair. The animals and the rides are my 2 categories. So animals, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And again, I've checked my key that said each person stands for 1 child. So there was 5 kids that liked the animals. And then here's the rides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There were 7 kids that liked the rides. So which activity did the children like? Which activity did more children like? Choose. And they're asking us to circle. So which number did we have that was larger, the animals or the rides? Very good. There was more kids that liked the rides. How many children chose the animals? Coming back up here to my chart, I've counted them out and I had 5. How many children chose the rides? Again, coming back out, and I've checked and I had 7. And I did that by counting them earlier so that I didn't have to recount over and over and over. How many fewer children chose the animals than the rides? So again, come up here and let's match them up like we've done in the past. And I notice I have 2 empty boxes here that there was a person here. So I had 2 fewer children choose animals than rides. All right, kids, so pretty simple. What you're gonna do is you're gonna turn the page right here. You're gonna keep going. You have page 419 and 420. Please make sure you complete front and back using the graphs from page 419 and 420, and then submit them to your teacher. Have a nice day.